Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your settings. Having opened up your settings, next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to about phone. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here until you get to build number. So tap on build number 7 times. Now you'll be asked to enter your security lock pattern. Then hit enter. And you are now a developer. After you are able to activate developer mode, next thing you need to do is to go back to settings. Then click on search settings. Then type developer. Then hit on search. Here you go. Now you have developer options. Simply click on developer options and scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to graphics driver preferences. Click on that. Then you'll be here. Next thing you want to do, use graphics driver preferences. Make sure this is on. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and choose the app that you want to assign dedicated graphics driver for. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use this particular app right here. Then what you need to do is to click on System Graphics Driver. It's that simple. With that, the app response will be faster and operational efficiency of your phone performance is going to increase. System Graphics Driver for this or so. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.